Well, as I mentioned earlier, Greg isn't around this week, so I'm sitting in for him, and it's a great pleasure to introduce an old friend, Kurt Franke, with the legal side of real estate. Welcome back, Kurt.
Welcome back to you.
It's great to be here. Got an interesting topic. We're coming into summertime. What does that mean to the homeowner in terms of looking out for their homes?
Well, you know what, obviously as an attorney, I think of the liability side of such a question.
Yeah.
And this is a time of year when, you know, people are going to start visiting everybody's home and kids in the backyard and whatnot. So I thought maybe we talk about safeguarding your home from a legal standpoint. I think there's generally you owe a duty to act as a reasonable homeowner under the circumstances, and that's generally what you're expected to do. Mm-hmm. They actually break that because, you know, lawyers can't do anything simply into two different categories. Latent dangers, which are hidden dangers, and patent, which is open and obvious dangers. Like
a swimming pool is an open and obvious danger.
That's correct, and it can be a big danger. So, open and obvious dangers generally you don't owe as high as a duty of care, because obviously people can see them. Now, when you're talking about children and swimming pools, that's a different thing because
that's
they're not
attractive,
and they're not expected to have the same care than an adult would. Latent dangers are ones that you know about that maybe somebody wouldn't see. And those you owe a real responsibility to take care that they're measured off or marked off, and that nobody might inadvertently, without seeing it, walk into it.
Makes a lot of sense. What should they do? Go, I guess, call you if they have questions.
Yeah, and I think a good idea is maybe somebody that knows insurance risk, or you call somebody if you have a question in regard to that before the incident happens, and you need to call them for a different reason.
Good. Tell them how to get a hold of you, both phone and your email address.
You can call me at 827-6100 and talk to Linda. She'd be happy to set up an appointment. Or you can look me up on the web, and that's LOKAF, LOKAF.com.
LOKAF.com, Law Offices of Kurt A. Franke.
Very good. You haven't missed a thing.
I remember it well. Thanks for being here, Kurt. It's great to have you in.
Absolutely. Great to see you.